April 5th, the American Legion J.A. Garcia Post 172 fired up the barbecue pits for a special cause. Their annual chicken plate fundraiser with smoke rising and volunteers ready, the team operated like a well-oiled machine, selling 500 delicious plates. Members work in an assembly line, grilling savory chicken in smoking pits, loading plates with all the tasty trimmings, and delivering them to supporters in a smooth drive-through pickup. The event wasn't just about great food, it was about giving back. Proceeds from the plate sale go towards the Legion's annual scholarship fund and general operations, helping support veterans and community initiatives year-round. With the spirit of service and community as its heart, Post 172's fundraisers prove once again that when people come together, the great things happen, one plate at a time.